Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, and good evening or good night, as the case may be. I will say Ndewo in Igbo language. Ụtụtụ ọma, if this is your morning. Ehihie ọma, if it's your afternoon. Mgbede ọma, evening. Abalị ọma, night, if that is your night. Ndewonu. This is the Igbo teacher or Igbo tutor live. Wherever you are and you're a member of the channel, you will remember that this is the agreed time we need to meet to have a drill on Igbo language. So if you are meant to be in this class, begin to join now as we do this together. The Igbo tutor is live now. So wherever you are, you need to start to join now. We have 1 hour for this class and we will not extend the 1 hour mark. So it will be good. You join on time so we can do all we need to do within the 1 hour mark. This class is to be for 1 hour. Of course, every Saturday by 2 p.m. we meet together to have our Igbo drill, measure our level of progress in Igbo language, learn new things from our others and from the tutor himself. It's a time of assessment, and this time today we're beginning a new series. So wherever you are seeing me right now, and you're interested in participating in a live class where you learn Igbo language on the go, you need to join this class now. And if you want to join this class and perhaps you're seeing me and you are not yet a member of the channel, you may not be able to join this live class. So the first thing to do is to join our channel membership. You will see the subscribe button in my homepage, and then look up beside it, you see join, the black button for join. Hit the join button, do your payment so you can gain access to our live classes every Saturday. Do that now so we can learn together. We appreciate those of you who have done that. You're welcome to class. Let's begin to join now. Wherever you are, and you're a member of the channel, it's time to join for our live class today. The Igbo tutor is live already. The earlier you join, the better for all of us, so we can maintain our time and then round up as appropriate without delaying anybody. So where are you now? Join the class now. The Igbo tutor is live. Join the class now wherever you are. We're expecting you in a few minutes' time. We're going to start this class. So the earlier you join, the better for all of us. If you're already in the class, just greet us, say they will know Dalo in the chat session. Let's have your welcome notes. Greet your people at home, the Igbo family members. Okay, Chika Odua, wow, you are the first to be in class today. Chikande, number one today. Okay, let me greet you specially. Chika Odua. Yeah. They won't. Yeah. So you are the first to come to class today. Lovely one. Good one. So we expect others to come on board now. Chika, confirm if you can hear me clearly. In Anulum, are you hearing me? Am I audible enough? Confirm that, Chika, before others come in. Confirm that I'm audible enough. You can hear me loud and clear, Chika. Can you confirm that? Oh yeah, that's great. There, Chika. We've done so many things before now. We've done, if you've been in a live class before, you will understand that we have done so many things. We've covered so many grounds. We began offering free classes. For last year, we covered 50 live classes, over 50 live classes, on our free, free class series. And we try to make sure we teach as much as we can. But from beginning of this year, these live classes have been brought to only members of the channel. So it's no more free. Whoever wants to join, please let them know they have to join our membership to gain access to these live classes. Of course, Chika, you can confirm that beyond being in this live class, you have other benefits like free ebook every month. You have gotten your ebook for the month. I hope it's fine. Have you been able to open the audio of the ebook? Can you hear the audio, Chika? Can you confirm that? Were you able to hear the audio voice from your book, Chika? Confirm that you're able to download the audio. You're able to access the audio of the book because that's what makes our book unique. You have, yeah, I've downloaded it, but have not clicked on the audio. Okay, you have to click on the green bar below the title page to be able to access the audio. When the audio is open, you download it into your phone or computer. That way, you can always listen to the audio while you are going through the book. So please do that after the class. Very important. And if you are not able to access the audio when you try listening to it, if you are not able to access the audio, Chica, please drop a comment in our Telegram group and let me know from your Telegram group that you are not able to get the audio. I will solve that problem for you. Is that right, Chica? Do you understand what I said? Yeah, please confirm you got what I said. If you are in the class, yeah, very well, very well. Please, if you are in the class, drop your greetings so that we can know you are in the class. We can welcome you officially to class. That is how to mark our register. You just drop a greeting saying they will no dalu. Just write anything. That way we will know you are in the class. We'll pick your name and then return the greetings to you, and of course, register your presence today. So if you are already in the class, let's know you are in the class. I know we are more than one in the class already, but I can only see Chika here. If you don't send the chat, I won't be able to pick your name. This is a live class. I want to call your names. I want to get a feedback from you directly. And that's why I need to pick your name and be able to talk to you directly. So we've done so many things before now. We've covered so many areas. We've done conjunction. We've done of late. We've done the the feeling expressions. We also brought it to live class where we dug deeper into feeling expressions and made so many other sentences with that. And those who are joining our membership now, like Chika, you have the freedom to go back, click the membership portal, a page rather, or tab to listen to previous live classes. You have access to all of them now. Okay, so you can listen to them to refresh your memory and mind on what we have done over time. So that is the beauty of it. Or you can watch as many of our live classes we've done before as you can find in the tab. They are all there. So go back, rewatch them, enrich your mind and your knowledge. And if you have questions, don't hesitate. Drop your question in the Telegram group. I can assure you I will attend to your questions if you have any. That is our official communication channel for members of the channel, the Telegram group. Right. Chika, also, I've seen you are already in the Telegram group. Good one. It means you followed all the instructions there. Yeah, that's fine. Clement Emehe, you're welcome to class. Dewo, who else is in the class? Because the class is beginning without further delay. Yes, we will not wait for anybody. We will have to start the class right now. This is 5 minutes behind schedule, and we are starting right away. Because of those who are going to rewatch this, we don't want to keep them waiting for long. So today, we are beginning a new series, and what we want to do from today is what I call uh, free free flowing class, where we test your ability to listen. Okay, let me call it listening and writing practice. What we will do from today is that we'll give you challenge to listen to me, make Igbo sentence. Okay, so we are going to do listening and comprehension practice or drill from today. So you listen to me, make Igbo sentence, okay, or say something in Igbo language, and then you try to understand what I said, both the sound and the meaning, and then you reduce it to writing so we can see how much you are able to understand what I said and put it into writing. That is the test we'll be doing from now. So are we, Joy, you are welcome to class. No. So I will make a sentence, any sentence for that matter, now challenge you to comprehend what I said in Igbo language, put it in writing in the chat, and let's see how many of us can understand that. So it's a listening drill, listening and understanding drill in Igbo language. That's what we are starting from today. So is that clear? So are we okay? Are we clear with what I just said? Nakeya, welcome to class. Are we clear with what I said as to what we'll be doing from now? Are we clear with that? I say we're going to do listening and comprehension drill from today. Okay? So I will make a sentence. You will try to understand what I said by listening to my voice and then try to reduce it to writing to show you understood what I said. That's what we'll do from now. Okay, Clement may say, it's okay. Chika, are you clear with what I said? Joy, do you get me? Nake, did you get what I said? All right, Chika says okay with that. How about Nake? How about Joy? Do you get what I said? What we're doing from now? Is it clear enough? Because we are starting right away. We are starting right away. Okay. So I have not got response from Joy. I've not got response from who again? Nake, as to whether you understand what we are doing from now. Please let's respond. Okay. Okay, Joy say, Nake, are you with me? Are you with us? Ineba, let's go. First sentence, first expression. Hmm? It's going to be a random sentence. There's no special format for it. It's going to be a random sentence, random expression. Anyone you hear from me, you go ahead and duplicate it. Number one. Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? Again, gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? That is the sentence. Let's write it in English language. Don't repeat in Igbo. But if you want to write it both in English, in Igbo, that's your own. But write it in English. Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? Nake is in. Chika, what do you write? Okay, Chika is in. Chika is in. Yes. What did Emehe, where are you? Joy, what do you say? Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? Listening and comprehension. Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? Dr. Blahi, you are welcome to class. Wow, Dr. Blahi, you're on top. Okay. Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? Emehe is in. Okay. And then Joy is also in. Okay. Joy is writing it in Igbo again, but I expected it to be written in English. Okay. I want to be written in English. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I want it to be written in English. Yeah. So, all right. Let me see how many of us got it right. Chika, Nake came in first. What are you doing now? Correct. Chika, what are you doing now? Correct. Dr. Blahi, what are you doing now? Correct. Wow. Clement, what are you doing today? No, not today. Now. Dr. Blahi. Okay. Joy again. Joy wrote in Igbo. Gịnị ka ị na-eme ugbu a? Joy also wrote in English. What are you doing now? Wow. That's fine. Let's answer this question. It's a question actually. Let's answer it. Okay. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Let's go. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. That is the response to that question. Let's go there. Write it now. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. What did I say? Let's go. Listening and comprehension. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Let's go. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Let's go there. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Clement Emehe is in. Yes, is in. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Oh, yeah. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Clement is in. What are the rest waiting for? Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Chika. Chika, I am. Okay, you say speaking Igbo. Good effort. Good effort. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Let's go. Clement. Okay, Dr. Bly. Okay, Dr. Bly, you are repeating the Igbo sentence. I say, write what I said in English to show you understood what I said. That is the drill. Write what I said in English to show you understood exactly the meaning of what I said. Okay, Joy. Okay, Joy wrote something. Okay. Am I? Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got the first response from Clement Emehe, followed by Chika Odua, followed by, okay, Dr. Blahi, even though he wrote in Igbo. Joy got in. Nake, what did you say? Okay, I got your responses. Okay, if I didn't get the actual answer, I'm going to write the answer myself. Okay, now what I think we've all turned in our answers. Let's see, let's review them. Clement Emehe wrote, okay, 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 and okay, you are writing in Igbo language also. That's fine. Okay, let's see. Clement wrote, I'm studying Igbo language. Hmm? This is good. Either you wrote, I am studying or I'm learning. Both are correct. Clement also wrote, Chika wrote, I am question mark, speaking Igbo. That means she's lost at the point. But Chika, it is, I am learning Igbo language or I am studying. If you are in school, if you say this in school, it will mean I am studying Igbo language. Anamamu asusu Igbo. But if it's not in a school setting, it will be I'm learning Igbo language. So either of the two is correct. And then Joy said, I'm speaking Igbo language, not speaking. I'm learning. Anamamu. If it is I'm speaking, it will be Anamasu Asusu Igbo. That is, I'm speaking Igbo language, right? Joy, did you get my explanation? Joy, you get me? If it is anamasu asusu Igbo, that will be I'm speaking. But anamamu asusu Igbo is I'm learning or I'm studying, right? Joy, I hope that is correct. That is, you got that very well. Clement Nake, I'm learning to speak Igbo. Not really, not learning to speak Igbo. I'm learning or studying Igbo language. That is the meaning of what I said. So Clement Emehe is still the winner in this case. Let me see other people. Dr. Blahi, I'm learning the Igbo language. That's correct. Also, Dr. Blahi, you have scored this one too. Emehe, Anamamu, as Anamu. No, that your expression is not correct. Princess, I'm learning Igbo language. That's correct. Okay, that's fine. But let me write this in Igbo language so that for those who are trying to write it for us, Anam Asusu. Is that Asusu? Not really. Asusu Igbo. Okay. Okay. Anamamu Asusu Igbo. That's exactly what I said. Okay. Princess, you're welcome to class. No. Let's go. Okay. Next sentence, next expression. Odema. Jisike mutaya osiso. Jisike mutaya osiso. Jisike mutaya osiso. Don't repeat what I said in Igbo. Write what I said, the meaning in English language. That is the drill. Don't repeat what I said in Igbo. Write what I said in English. I will write the Igbo later on. Just concentrate on writing the English meaning of what I said. We're doing listening and comprehension. Jisike mutaya osiso. Okay? Okay, Princess is in. Let me see. Let me wait for other people. Jisike Montaya Osiso. Let's go. Jisike Montaya Osiso. Let's go. Write it in English. What I say, the meaning in English language. Let's go there. Jisie ike mụta ya ọsịsọ. Jisie ike mụta ya ọsịsọ. Only Princess Ezenwa has come in with a response. What are the rest waiting for? Let's go there. Let's go there. Chika, I hope you are following. I hope you are following. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. Okay. Okay, Dr. Blahi is in. Okay, so I have Princess. I have Dr. Blahi. Who else is coming in now? Jisike Mutaya Osiso. You said you are learning Igbo language, and then the next sentence follows that. Jisike Mutaya Osiso. Chika, stay strong quickly. I love that. Good effort. Let's keep pushing. That's why we are here. We learn from the teacher, we learn from other people, we challenge ourselves, we measure our level of progress in Igbo language. That is the essence of the life class. It's a time to test ourselves. That is the main purpose of these life classes. Okay, Nake, it's okay. Learn it quickly. Good effort. Good effort. Yes. Jisike Mutaya Osiso. Okay. Jisike Mutaya Osiso. Mm-hmm. Okay. Who else is coming in? Clement is in. Travel well, learn it quickly. Wonderful. Joy. Try to learn it quickly. Wow. It's interesting. Interesting. I love these responses. Dr. Blahi, I don't something get the spelling of the words you pronounce. Oh, I said GCK Motaya Osiso. I hope it's clear enough. But I think the responses show me that we all heard what I said. Okay, but for the benefit of the doubt, I have to say it again for Dr. Blahi. Dr. Blahi, is that okay now? You get what I said? Now let's start reviewing your responses. Jisike Motaya Osiso. Princess said, keep trying, learn it quickly. You got the second part of it. Motaya Osiso, learn it quickly. That's the second part of it, but the first part you didn't get. Dr. Blahi, hold strongly, quickly. Jisike, that is what you are trying to interpret. Jisike, but that is not the literal meaning for this sentence. Right. Chika, stay strong. It's like also, you are interpreting the word literally, but that's not what they actually mean. Okay? Nake, it's okay. Learn it quickly. Second part gotten, first part not gotten. Okay, Clement, travel well, learn it quickly. Second part gotten, first part not gotten. Joy Onyebuchi, try to learn it quickly. The winner has emerged. Joy is the winner. Try to learn it quickly. Joy, thumbs up. Joy is the winner here. Joy Onyebuchi. Try to learn it quickly. Jisike mutaya osiso. You can also say jisike imutaya osiso. But in this case, jisike mutaya osiso. You said you are learning Igbo language. And I told you, jisike mutaya osiso. Try to learn it quickly, or try and learn it quickly. Whichever way you say it, you say the same thing, the same meaning. Try and learn it quickly, or try to learn it quickly. Either way, they are all correct. So joy, thumbs up to you. And I'm going to write what I said directly in Igbo. Jisike Motaya. Okay, is that here? Not really. Motaya Osiso. Okay, don't think I wrote Osiso well. Osiso. Okay, Jisike Mutaya Osiso. That is what I said. Let's go to the next challenge. Joy is the winner in this case. I hope Clement Emehe won the second one. I think who won the first one? I think it was Odua also won the first one. I think so. Who won the first one? Let me check. Nake, okay. Okay, Mnake won the first one. That was the one that got the first answer right. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Mm, okay, if I say, Kedu ebe isi bịa? Kedu ebe isi bịa? Kedu ebe isi bịa? Or kee ebe isi bịa? Either way, it's the same question. Kedu ebe isi bịa? Or kee ebe isi bịa? Let's go. Kee ebe isi bịa? Or kedu ebe isi bịa? Let's go. I hope it's clear enough, Dr. Blahi. Let's go there. Let's go there. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting the answer first? Who is shooting first? Everyone is in first. Okay. Everyone, which one am I going to take? You gave me two answers. I don't know which one you are choosing. Choose one of the two or everyone. Don't confuse us. So choose one of the answers because you wrote two things meaning different things entirely. So let me know which one you are choosing as your response, SN1, so that you don't miss your mark. Okay, Chika. Okay, two choices you made. Make one choice out of your two responses. Don't combine the two together. You said Kedu as a greeting. No, that is a greeting. Okay, so I don't want us to confuse the two at all. Okay, so let's go. Okay, okay, yeah, SN1 have taken the choice. Okay. Okay, that's fine. The second part is your answer. That's fine. Okay, Nake is in. Nake is in. Who else is coming in? Chika is in. Princess is in. Emehe is in. Okay. Okay, Joy is in. Nake is in. I think almost everybody is in. Almost everybody. Who else is waiting there? Please, if you are joining the class, let's have your chat so that we can pick your name and get your response. All right. Who has not answered this question now? Who? I think almost everybody. Let me review it. Princess Ezenwa came in first, and then the second part is her response, which is, where do you come from? Where do you come from? And that is good. That is cool for this expression. Where do you come from? Kedebisibia or Kebisibia. Ezenwa is on spot there. Is on point. Okay. Or Chika say, where are you coming from? Okay. The difference between where do you come from and where are you coming from is if it is where are you coming from, I will say Kebi Siabia. Kebi Siabia. That is where are you coming from? But Kebi Sibia, you have already come. Where do you come from? Okay. So Princess is more on spot here than Chika. Okay, let me go to Clement. Where do you come from? That is also correct. Where do you come from? Clement is also correct. Joy said, where are you coming from? I've just corrected that. Where are you coming from is Kedebi Siabia. But where do you come from? Kedebi Sibia. I hope I'm clear enough, Joy. I hope that is clear enough. And Chika and Joy, I hope that my explanation is clear enough. Nake said, where did you get it from? No, I didn't talk about getting anything. I say KBC, yeah, not getting anything at all. Where do you come from? That is what I said. Dr. Bly, from where is he? Not really, not really, not really. But my answer is the answer. So Princess Ezenwa is a winner, first person to get it correctly here, followed by Clement Emehe, also got it, and then who else got it right? Princess, and Clement. These two people got it absolutely perfect. Okay, let me write what I said in Igbo. So that's why I said, don't bother writing in Igbo. Let me do the writing. Kebe isi bia. Okay, it's a question actually. So let's go. I hope this is very clear enough. Okay. Um. Uh. Let me ask you. Let me throw this to you back. You do the response by yourself. You answer this question by yourself. Each person answer this question by yourself. KBC. Yeah. Put your answer in the chat. Your answer may not be the same with other people, but it's talking about where do you come from. So give your response in the chat. Answer this question by yourself. Where do you come from? Okay. Where do you come from? Is either you are telling us you come from where you are living now, or you come from a particular village in a particular country where you are native country, wherever is your choice. I don't know. Just tell us where you come from. Okay, Princess is in with a response. That's fine. Let's go. Let's go. Give me your response. Answer that question by yourself. Answer that question by yourself. KBC. Yeah. Let me get your response. I got one from Princess Ezenwa. Yes. What are the rest guys saying? Chica. Okay. Chica has written. Nake has written. Okay. That's good. I like those variations. Those variations will help us to explain some things there. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got Princess. I got Chica. I got Nake. Who else is giving us a response? Let's go. Joy is in. Okay. Okay. Is in. Right. We're going to review them. I like the variations here and there. That gives us reasons to teach. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got four responses. What are the rest people doing? Where is Clement Emehe? Where is Dr. Blahi? Who else is there? Who else is there? I've gotten from four. I still have more three people waiting that have not given us response. Chika, Joy, Princess, Dr. Blahi, uh, who else? Who else? Clement Emehe. Where are you? Are you still there? Dr. Blahi is in. I'm lagging behind. Clement is in. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I have Enugu people here. Izagu, my people. I have Anambra. I have Obaro. Obaro is also in Anambra State. I know. I hope I'm right. Chika, I hope I'm right. Obaro should be in Anambra State. Am I right? Okay. Dr. Blind said I'm lagging behind. Is it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm right. Okay. Let's go there. Let's go to review. Now, when KDBC, yeah, you have to answer the question the way it is asked. So, ASIM Anambra, ASIM America, ASIM California, ASIM Obaro, just like Chika wrote. That's fine. So, Princess got the format for the response perfectly well. ASIM Anambra. That is a perfect format for the response. Okay, Chika say Asim Obaro. This is not correct. You don't use A when you have a vowel that is heavy vowel. C. The next word that follows, the next verb that follows has a heavy vowel, which is I without dot under E. So it must be followed, it must be accompanied in front by a heavy vowel, which is A, not A, not A. It is E, which is A. So Chika, you will call this vowel agreement. So if the verb that follows has heavy vowel, that is the one that has no dot under, O without dot, I without dot, U without dot, you start by using E, asim. But if it is the one that follow has dot under them, which is a light vowel, you use A, okay, okay, to say to answer that question. So that's why Chika, you don't use asim. Do you see that it doesn't go well in the pronunciation? Asim, obaro. It doesn't go well. So asim, obaro. agrees with the vowel and sounds smoother. Esim obaro, not asim obaro. If you say asim obaro, it looks like you're saying I say to obaro. That's how it sounds. Chick, I hope you are getting me right in this case. Now, Nnake said, Abumonye Enugu State. That is not the exact response. You say, I am a native of Enugu State. That answer supposed to go with a question like, Ibu ebe, Ibu ebe, which native are you? You now say, Abum onye Enugu State. That is where you get that response. But when I say Isiebe, the response is Esim, Enugu State. Talking to Nake now. Joy, Anamabia America. That is not the question you are asked. This is off mark. What we are saying is, where do you come from? You say Anamabia America. No, Joy, that is not the response to the question. You can say Esim America. I am from America. I'm coming from America. Dr. Blind, sorry for the lagging behind. Clement Emehe, Asim Eziago, Nenugu State. The same correction I've made for Chika is applicable to Clement Emehe. It is Asim Eziago, na Enugu State. Okay? Abim, the same problem. You don't say Abim, you say Abim, na Abim, USA. The same correction for you. I hope that is clear enough for everybody as we flow. Please, Clement Emehe, are you clear with me? Nake, are you clear with me? Is my explanations okay for you? Do you get what I mean very well? Please confirm. Just like Chika gave us a thumbs up, you need to do that too. Let me be sure you got what I explained correctly. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, I want to say another thing. All right, thank you very much. Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? Most of you are not in Nigeria. Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? What did I say? Go ahead and write that. Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? Okay. Princess is in. Nake is in. Yes. What are the people? Other people saying? What are the rest people saying? Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? Okay, Chika is in. Yes. Yes. Okay. What are the rest saying? I have Nake, Princess came in first. Nake is following. Chika is in. Where is Joy? Where is Emehe? Where is Dr. Blahi? Where are the rest? Let's go. Let's go. Please, if you think you are learning from this and this class is meeting your expectation, do give us a thumbs up. Hit the like button beside the channel name or beside the subscribe button. I don't know where it is. Hit the like button to show appreciation to us, and let YouTube also know that people like to see this and possibly show it to more people. Please give us thumbs up. Hit the like button if this is fine. If you think you are learning something from this class, do us a favor, hit the like button. Thank you for doing that. Emailer. Ngwa, Kaigani Odua. Let me change my response. When will you come to Nigeria? That's okay. That's accepted. All right. Joy is in already. Clement is in. All right. I think only Dr. Blind that I'm still waiting for. Where are you, Dr. Blind? Is it Nigeria network that is disturbing you? Or what? What is the matter? All right. Let's be reviewing it while we wait for Dr. Blind to flow in. Princess said, when will you come to Nigeria? The question is, Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? When will you come to Nigeria? Good one. Nake, when will you come to Nigeria? Good one. Chika, when are you coming to Nigeria? And change to, Chika change to, when will you come to Nigeria? All the same, even if you leave it at, when are you coming Nigeria? Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa? Okay. Okay. When will you come? Okay. But I understand Your second response is better. When will you come to Nigeria? Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? Okay. Ga-abịa is will come. A future tense. Ga-abịa. Okay. Will come. That's fine. All right. Let's see. Clement, when will you come to Nigeria? Excellent one. Joy, when will you come to Nigeria? Excellent. All of you scored correctly in this one. But Princess is the winner. Haven't given all the correct answer first before everybody. All right. Let's go. Okay. The sentence is okay. I think I need to write in Igbo. Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa? Okay. Nigeria. Nigeria. Okay. Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? All right. Dr. Blind, what do you say? I have lost the trend. Okay, sorry, Dr. Blind. The last sentence we made is the one I just wrote now in Igbo language. Kedu mgbe ị ga-abịa Nigeria? I just wrote it in Igbo language now in the chat. So you just look at that and see the responses. Almost everybody got the answers correct. Okay. So you look at their responses up there and copy if you are writing your notes. Chika, I hope you are writing notes. Oh. I do hope you are writing, Chika. You know, everybody should be writing. In a way, this is class. Okay. So how many of us are writing? Indicate if you are writing. Okay, Chika is writing. Who else is writing? Who else is writing? Just let me know. Let us know you are writing. Chika say, of course, I'm writing. Who else is writing? Who else? Only Chika is writing. Other people are forming big guys. Okay, okay, oh, make I catch you. Okay, Clement is writing. Okay, that's fine. Who else is writing? Other people are doing big guys. Okay, we'll go see now. Okay, let's go. I want to answer that question. Aga m abịa ọnwa ọzọ. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Let's go. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Okay, thank you, Dr. Blahi. Got your response, but we have already moved on. Oh. We are in the next sentence now. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Chika is in. Chika is on fire now. She cannot grieve for this matter. Okay. And then Princess is in. Princess is in. Clement is in. Clement is in. Okay. Who has not come in? Nake, where are you? Joy. Okay, Joy is writing too. I think that is what you are responding to. Joy, I think your network is delaying small. I know you can do better than this. All right. Clement is in. Chika is in. Princess is in. Clement is in. How about Joy? How about Nake? Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Okay. Okay. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Write that now. Write that now. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Let's go. Let's go there. Write it in English language. What I just said in Igbo. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Only one person has given us a thumbs up, has clicked the like button for this live class. Now, what for now? What do I do now? You people are not enjoying this class. You don't like what we're doing. Is that true? That you don't like what we are doing? You are not learning? Could that be correct? If not, why don't you hit the like button? Okay. Okay. Thank you for hitting the like button. Those of you who have done that, God bless you. Chuku Goziegi. Okay. All right. I got responses from Chica first, followed by Princess, followed by Clement, followed by Joy. Where is Nake missing in action? Nake is missing in action. Dr. Ablahi, I hope you respond to this one now. I say, Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Yes, Dr. Ablahi, fire on now. Don't let your answer come too late. Flow, 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 flow. Let's go. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Let's go. Nake, where are you? Have you gone back to work? Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Let's go there. I'm about to start marking. Oh, for those of you who have not sent in your response, I'm about to start marking what is happening. Okay, Nake is in. Nake is in. So what happened? Why can't you write what I said? Ana m abịa or aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. What is difficult in writing that? What is difficult in understanding what I've just said? Let's go. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Right. Dr. Blahi is the only one that remaining. I think so. Let's begin to mark. Maybe you'll come in later. The first to shoot here is Chika. Dr. Blahi is in. That's good. Chika was the first person to shoot a response, and I bet you she's correct. I will come to Nigeria next month. Followed by Princess, I will come to Nigeria next month. Next month, another month, another month, next month. Problem there. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Okay. Do you know that both responses are correct? Ọnwa ọzọ can be next month. It can be another month. Both are correct. So I will come to Nigeria another month. Let's break it down. If you are in Nigeria or you have been in Nigeria, okay, let's say you are already in Nigeria and you are saying, I will come to Nigeria another month. That is, I will repeat the visit. I will come again another month. That is what is appropriate when Princess wrote, I will come to Nigeria another month. Okay? Perhaps you're already in Nigeria. But what we meant here is that you have not been there, you will go there. So that's why I will come to Nigeria next month is better for this response. Because remember, the first question is, when will you come to Nigeria? The response is, I will come to Nigeria next month. Okay, so next month is most appropriate in this case. I will come to Nigeria next month. Clement Emehe, correct. Joy, I will come to Nigeria next month, correct. Nake, I will come to Nigeria next month, correct. Dr. Blahi, I will come to Nigeria next month, oh, correct. You guys are too much. All right, let's go. Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? Let's see those who can break this. Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? Let's go. Time is ticking. Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? Okay. Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? But let me write the first sentence I wrote before. I've not written it because of those who are writing. Okay, that is the sentence we just finished dealing with. Aga m abịa Nigeria ọnwa ọzọ. Now the next question is, gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? Princess Rose. I don't want to read it yet. Oh, Princess has run away. Okay, you have done, okay, you have sent a new version. That's right. That's right. Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? So I take the Chika to be the first person since Princess withdrew her first sentence. Chika is the first, followed by Princess, followed by Emehe Clement. Chika is coming again below. You want to give another option? Which one is your answer, Chika? Choose one. If the last one is your answer, delete the first one. If you want to leave the first one, delete the last one. Just choose one. Oh, okay. You said I changed my sentence. I didn't know. I was saying, Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? I think that was what I said earlier. Did I change it? Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? I hope that is what I said earlier. Sorry about that, Princess, if there's any change. But I think I want to maintain Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria. I want to maintain that. Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? Okay. Okay. Chika has deleted her first sentence. She's sticking to the second sentence. Okay. That's good. That's good. So I have number one, Princess has retained first position again after Chika has withdrawn her first sentence. So Princess is still leading at number one, followed by Clement Emehe, followed by Chika, followed by Dr. Blahi, followed by uh, Chika again. Okay, second. Joy, followed by Joy. Where is Nake missing in action? Dr. Blahi, I'm in. Okay, yeah, you are in. So that's good. Where is the Nake? Where is your response? What are you doing? Nake is in. Very well. So let's review. Let's go. Princess, what are you coming to do in Nigeria? I gave it to you. Clement, what do you come to do in Nigeria? No. Gịnị ka ị na-abịa? You are coming. Na-bịa is coming. Okay? So gịnị ka ị na-abịa? What are you coming? Na-bịa. Okay? Hope that is clear, Mr. Clement. Chika, what are you coming to do in Nigeria? Correct. All right, Dr. Blind, what would come to do in Nigeria? No, no, no. What the answer is, what are you coming? Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? So go to Joy. What will you do in Nigeria? No, no, no. Okay. If it is what will you do in Nigeria, it will be Gịnị ka ị ga-eme na Nigeria. That is what will you do in Nigeria. But the question sentence is Gịnị ka ị na-abịa? What are you coming ime to do in Nigeria? I hope that's right, Joy. Nake, what are you coming to do in Nigeria? Correct. So first to get it was Princess, the winner this time around. Okay. Okay. Followed by Chika Odua, followed by who else? Who else? What will you come to do? Followed by Nake. So these three people got it right this time around. Okay. 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 Let's go. I am coming to see my parents. Oh, I've said it in English. I'm coming to see my parents. Now you're going to write in Igbo this time around. I've said in English, you're going to write in Igbo. I am coming to see my parents. Write it in Igbo language. Write in Igbo language. Don't repeat in English. I am coming to see my parent. Meanwhile, I have to write the last sentence in Igbo. I have to write it. Gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na? Okay, this should be Nigeria. Okay, gịnị ka ị na-abịa ime na Nigeria? That was the last sentence for those who are writing, so you can update your record. Now, the next sentence is, I'm coming to see my parents. I say, write it in Igbo language. We are switching code now. I said it in English, you are writing in Igbo. I am coming to see my parents. Write that in Igbo language. I am coming to see my parents. Let's go. Princess is in. Who else is in? Who else is in? Clement is in. I am coming to see my parents. Woo! Chika is on fire today. Oh. I know, no be joke. Oh. Ah, my God. Okay, I am coming to see my parents. Princess is in. Clement is in. Chika is in. Nobody should change his sentence. Leave your sentence the way it is. No alteration. Because I did not change my sentence this time around. No alteration for your sentence. Leave it the way it is. Otherwise, it will be interpreted that you are giraffing. You are picking from other people. So leave your sentence the way it is. That is your thought. Don't alter it. Okay? Don't alter anything. Let's go. I am coming to see my parents. Okay? I got Princess. I got Chika. I got Clement. Who else is coming in here? Clement, why are you begging me Biko now? Why are you begging me Biko? You want to change what you have written. Is that why you're saying Biko? Initial thought as missing coming. So you leave it there. Don't change anything again. No. Leave it the way it is, Clement. Okay. I'm coming to this is a test now. If you are writing quiz and you miss the answer to the quiz, do you pick answer from your contestant, co-contestant? You can't pick answer from your co-contestant. It's not allowed in quiz. You give your answer and stay by your answer. Okay. All right, Dr. Blahi is in. Wonderful one. Great one. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Some of you have not given us a thumbs up for this class. I don't know why, but I appreciate those who have given us thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. But if you think you are learning, you need to appreciate us too. All right. Let me go and mark now. I don't know whether some people are still coming in, but I've not seen the response from Nake. I have not seen response from Nake. Who else has not responded? Chika is here. Clement is here. Dr. Blai has responded. Nake is not in. What about Joy? Joy is not here in. Joy, where are you? I'm coming to see my parents. So I want to respond from Joy and Nake before we, treat the response and round up today. We are hitting the 1 hour mark already. So let's go. Where is Nake? Joy is already in. Joy is in. Okay, Joy is in. It's only Nake that is not yet in. What is it doing? What are you waiting for? Okay, what are you waiting for? Nake, the Nake family. Give us your response. I'm coming to see my parents. Let's go there. Okay. Now let's begin to review. Perhaps Nake's own will come in later. Princess wrote, Agam abia ihu nne na nnam. Nne na nnam. That answer would have been correct, but how you began it is not correct. Agam is I will. Ga is for future. Okay. But I said I am, not I will. I am coming, not I will come. So if I say I will come, it will be agam. But I am coming is anam, A-N-A, anam. Okay. So those who use anam, let me see who got it first. Clement also said agam. That's not correct. So, princess, the only thing wrong with your answer is use ga instead of na. Okay. Ga is for future, but this is I am coming, not I will come. Hope that is correct. Hope that is clear. Chika wrote ana m abịa ịhụ nna na nne m. That is perfect. That's what I'm talking about. It should be anam, not agam. Chika, thumbs up. You got it right this time around. Joy also got it. Ana m abịa ịhụ nne or nna na nne m. Joy also, thumbs up for you. Okay, Clement. Okay, Dr. Blahi. Ana m abịa ile. If you had written ile to see, nne na nna, that would have been perfect, Dr. Blahi. But you wrote ana m abịa ele. Ana m abịa ele. It should have been ana m abịa ile to see. That would have been a very perfect sentence for you, Dr. Blahi. Ana m abịa ile nne na nna. But you have to put nne na nna m to show possessive. My father and my mother. Nne na nna m. Dr. Blahi, I hope that is clear enough. So let's pick our responses and our corrections from here. And let me write the Igbo version. You have written it. You have written it. And okay, most of you have written it. I don't think I need to repeat it here again. Anam abia. Okay. Anam abia. You can say ile or iho, either of the two. Let me just use ile or ileta or ileta to see or look after. Ileta nne na nam. Okay, that is good. You can also say anam abia ihu. Instead of mentioning father and mother differently, ndi murum. Okay, this is also okay. Anam abia ihu ndi murum. I'm coming to see those that get birth to me. Ndi murum, they are my parents. Ndi murum. Okay, instead of mentioning father, mother separately. I hope that is fine. Okay, so if you think you have learned from today, in our class today, please do give us a thumbs up. Drop your, emoji in our chat session. Give us your thumbs up. Give us your flower. Give us your thanks. Anything you want to give us. If you know you have learned something from today's lesson, just drop something in the chat. Say hi to us. Say thank you. Say anything. Drop your, thumbs up there, your emoji, just drop anything there. Or you want to hit the like button beside my channel page name, do that now. Okay. Appreciate you guys for coming, keeping to our time, making the class today a lively one. If you enjoyed today's class, please indicate that you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up. Do something in the chat. Give us an emoji there. Give us a thumbs up there. Give us a flower, whatever you want to give us. Thank you, Chika. Thank you, Clement Emehe. Hope you'll be here next week, Saturday. Chika, you did well today. Hoping to see you again next Saturday. Thank you, Clement. What are the rest guys doing? You didn't learn anything from today's class. You don't want to say hi. Thank you to us. You don't want to show appreciation. Why? Only Clement and Chika that is showing clapping for us. Others did not do that. Maybe your own is still coming. We are expecting your clapping emoji, your thumbs up, your appreciation. So, yes, the Hello Princess say learned something today. Thank you, Princess. Appreciate you guys. You've always made my day. You've always made this class a good one, lively one. Please tell your friends about it. Join our membership. We will appreciate that. Invite people to join our membership. We'll appreciate that. And we'll continue pushing. So hope to see you next Saturday. Same time, same channel, usual family, the Igbo family. Now I want to sign out. I want to say K Messia, all of you. Bye.